Hey, this is Willard Crafto, and it is 32 degrees outside. It is snowing a little bit, and I'm going to cold start the old Chevys, except for that one, which is the one you saw in my loudest video ever. That's an 82 C30. This one you've never seen before, and that one you've never seen before. So this is my 79. If you follow my Instagram, you know what this is. But this is my 79 Chevy C20. So I hope it'll start. It probably will. The window regulator is broken. So yeah. See if this thing will start. Trying to put the choke on. I put an LED in there. And that parking brake thing right there. So let's see if she'll start. Almost. You gonna stay running? Why is the camera all foggy? I don't know, but well, hold on a second. Well, yeah. Now it focused for the most part. This is with the choke on. There. It has duals with a bored out 350 in it. It's bored out 30 over, came out of a dirt car. So yeah, 1979 Chevy C20. And now we'll go over to this truck, which is a 1986 C10. Here's the grill. I'm not going to start that because I have taken the belts and everything off. Dome light does not work. Turn the headlights on so you can see the gauges a little better. This truck hadn't been started in a long time, so let's see if it'll run. Yes, sir. There we go. I can't even hear this truck over how loud mine is. Here's this one. It has a 305 in it, and it needs a new bumper. But it's really quiet. compared to my truck, which you can hear from all the way over there. And the taillights are messed up. I forgot to turn my lights on. But yeah, it has the Silverado interior, has electric windows. Which don't seem to be working. Oh, it wanted to. Oh well. This truck shakes. There's the headlights. Oh, are the brakes still on the floor? No. They're on the stalk. Well, I think them horns broke. Let's go turn the choke off on my truck. I'm surprised how quick that thing started. Yeah. Mine is not happy. Let's go ahead and turn the choke off. Turn the lights on. Now my high beams are down here on the floor, and you can't pull this. Come on. Can I turn it off now? Come on. Put the parking brake on. Let's turn the choke on. Now, man, you can't even hear that blue truck. This thing is so loud that my taillights are new. That sounds good. And over here is the blue. Did it die? Nope. It's so quiet. And there's mine over there. So yeah, that is a cold start of the Chevy pickup. So I'll go ahead and turn these off. I'll go ahead and turn mine off too. Obviously, I've done a lot to mine. I like those wheels. So yeah, that was a cold start of the Chevys that currently run. That will come shortly after, as soon as I get the V-belts But yeah, that's my cold start video.